take a look at this 2007 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 18,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter V4 engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, separate tweeters, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 704-786-2151 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.